Hello students, welcome. Current session is on data types in C. Before starting this session, please you subscribe our channel. Let's start. Current topic is on character and strings and how to declare character and how to declare strings. Let's learn. So, first of all, I'll tell you about data. What is data? Before discussing on data types, first we clear what is data. And write, whatever we write is a data. Whatever we write in our files is a data. Data may be in the form of figures, symbols, and graphs. So data is a collection of characters, numbers, figures, and graphical figures. Okay, so data is a collection of letters, numbers, figures, and special symbols, and even pictures represent data. So we have learned about data. So in a C program, any type of data can be stored into a variable, but before declaring a variable, before using a variable, we have to declare the variable. Before using a variable, before storing the data into a variable, we have to declare the variable. So, let's see. Character. What is character? And how do we represent a single character in a C? Single character is always represented within single quote. It is always written within single quote. As I have shown, single quotes I have used, and small a is written and capital A within single quotes and capital Z. These are character constants. These are also called character constants. And any character which is written in a single quote is a character constant, and it also represents an ASCII code. ASCII code. What is ASCII code? Every keystroke on the keyboard has a particular number. Every keystroke or every character of the keystrokes of the keyboard represents a code called ASCII code. Like A, like A has 65 code, small a, and capital B has 66 code, and so on. We can store a single character into a variable. We can store a single character into a variable. How to declare a single character? How to declare a single character? We declare single character variable with char data type. That is used to declare a single character variable, a variable that will hold only single character. This is the way, and this is an example. CHAR, CHOICE, choice, and gender. I have taken two variables, choice and gender, and we have to separate the variables by comma. We have to separate variables by comma. And choice is one variable and another variable is gender. Choice variable will contain only single character and gender variable will also contain single character. And a single character variable always occupies 1 byte of memory. A single character always occupies 1 byte in memory. It means one character takes 1 byte. One character takes 1 byte. So because every data occupies space, okay? So single character variable will hold 1 byte of memory. So I think I have I think this will be clear now. So I go to next. Now I am going to show you on a slide how to write a program based on single character. You are watching this slide in within main brackets. We always write a program using starting with hash include stdio dot h void main. No, void main and curly brackets, and within curly brackets we write set of statements. First slide was showing rounded symbol. We have not to put rounded symbols. We have to simply write a program as is being shown. So I am telling you, I have declared gender variable. Variable name is gender. CHAR is the data type. CHAR is the data type. CHAR is the keyword in C. If gender variable is declared and it will occupy 1 byte of memory. So now if we want to show any message on screen, we use printf command, printf function. I have given simple message M for male and F for female. This line will show same message on screen, M for male, F for female. Then computer or C compiler will read next line. This will show a message, are you male? Are you male? Or user of the program will enter M or F. Whichever character is entered by the user will be stored into gender variable. And remember, F flush stdin, this function after scanf will use. It is better to use always after scanf. Okay, it is a good approach to use fflush function after scanf. I will tell you in detail in next video because this is a long topic. So simply after reading this line, computer will read printf your gender is this message will come on screen. And next percentage C comma gender. This statement, this function will print the single entered character onto the screen because data users entered data is stored into gender variable. And if we want to print the data of variable onto the screen, then we use this statement. If we want to print the data of a variable onto the screen, then this statement is used. And percentage %C is used for representing a single character. Percentage %C is a format specifier, a single character. So we have cleared on character data type. So character is single character and it is always written within single quotes in C and it occupies 1 byte in memory. One character means 1 byte and char is the data type which is used to declare single character variables that will hold single character. Then we have learned this program. Next we come to string. More than one characters, it represents more than one character or set of characters written within double quotes is called a string. Ram and Sham. Sham is a string. C compiler always places a special symbol at the end of each string. Like first string we have taken Ram. Fourth character will be null /0. It is hidden /0. A special character is kept at the end of string. This special character is always kept at the called null. Called null. /0 represents null. It is always hidden and a string is always ended with. Okay? And it occupies, string occupies as many bytes as number of characters in memory. As we have taken Ram is a string. It will occupy 3 characters in memory. And Sham will occupy 4. Sham will occupy 4 characters. Okay, in memory. And single character we know is always written in single quote. But string is always written within double quotes. If a single character is written within double quote, then it is also called a string. It means single quote, it is called character constant. And if we write a single character within double quote, it is called string constant. So how to declare a string variable? char is the data type, same as in the case of vector. In the case of declaring string, we also use char data type, character data type. Char is the keyword in C. Char variable name, then square bracket and number of characters. Number of characters mean total number of characters. So we have taken char name and f name, two variables that will allow us to store 100 characters in each. So string we have cleared. Now we come to its program. We come to its program. We come to its program. Hash include stdio.h void means a name is the variable, string variable that will contain 100 number of characters, 100 characters, and printf. When compiler will come to this line, it will show a message on screen, what's your name? And scanf command reads data entered by a user, and entered data is stored into gender variable. Whatever data user enters onto the screen after reading what is your name message, that entered data is stored into gender variable. And we can also write get function. Get function also reads set of words. Okay, for getting string data, we can use one of the two commands, scanf or gets. Then we have yes print message your name is, then print percentage s comma name. Sorry, not name. We have yes name. Actually, our variable name is name. So we will write name. It was wrongly written gender name. So data users entered data entered by the user will be stored into name variable, and that variable is being printed and will be printed on screen, and percentage s format specifier is used, and percentage s is for string. This is called format specifier, percentage s. And printf your name. This is another method to print the message on screen, because in these two lines we have used two times printf function, but the two lines can be written in a single statement as like highlighted. Okay, so this program is for getting string type data entry and for showing the string entered and for showing entered string onto the screen. So I have cleared character type and string. So single we have learned char data type is used to declare. Char data type is used to declare character or string type data, and character type data always occupies single byte of memory. So and character is always written and is always ended with /0 null symbol. Null symbol is hidden. but at the end of character constant, /n is not used only in case of string variable. A special character is kept at the end of string variable value. Will be clear to you. So I end this session. Please subscribe our channel, and so thank you. Have a nice time. Enjoy. Bye bye.